Morning, we are going to Dual Tropics to have the makeup and the pictorial.
Sa mga groomsmen and so gagawin
Bridesmaid.
bridesmaid. We're going to Tagbilaran!
So good afternoon guys, we are here at Bohol Tropics Resort in Tagbilaran City. Now it's currently 9 a.m. and we're gonna have the pictorial for the groomsmen and the bridesmaid, and I'll see you later. The place is so good. Now we are having our lunch here at the resto. Ta-da! Happy lunch guys! Happy lunch! Ooh, so good! Hi guys! So guys, it's a wrap. We have just done the photo shoot and it was very successful. Natas gid ang among pagka-artista. Kono daw.
Hi big love, this is it, our big day. Baby, thank you for marrying me. See you unya. Dili lagi ta kaanjanon. Hihihi. Bitaw baby love, seriously, I am thankful. I'm grateful that you came into my life as a man, and I know God is with us. He is the center of our relationship.
Thank you, baby! Baby love, what a wonderful thought. It is that the best day of our lives haven't happened yet. Our forever starts today. See you at 2:30 p.m. I love you, Roldan.
Nagpo-post ko niya through Skype. Napagilito sa ako ang Bisaya sa ang lista, kaya ako mag-video sa recording sa screen.
Nag-duty ko alto. And then, ingon siya na ako nga mag-Skype, may ka na siya isala. Muna ito, nag-propose to. Nag-propose siya, ingon siya nga, will you marry me? Ingon ko, yes!
Love is not a human language, nor is love a creation of man and woman, but it is a language of the divine.
Siya, ang ikasulti, kana siya, masunod-tanan din na siya nako.
Thank you, Be, sa card and earrings. Happy ko. Di lagi ta kayo dyan.
Kabalugit ko nga, nagugma siya nako.
Dinos, wear this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Magkahinigugma ay man gani ang tawo ug ang Ginoo nga layo ra kaayo ka, how much more ang duha ka tawo born in Anda and Duero.
So first meet na sa airport, ikabaan ko. And then, wow, nahag ka ba? Mixed emotions.
Pagkita na ko, siyempre, ako ng love. Murag dito, ako dughan, paspas ba nga, murag ako kasambon sa akong feeling.
Magandang presentation. Bye!